Arguably the best pickup truck on the market is the Ford Raptor R, and Shelby American out of Las Vegas is taking it to another level with this 2024 Shelby Baja Raptor R, over 900 horsepower. Okay, so this is going to start out as an 803 equipment package on the Ford Raptor R. So that is our Raptor R equipment level package. Same core dynamic Shelby look. So you're going to see that front end is going to match all of the lineup for your Shelby product. Now this happens to be a dual intake ram air functional hood with your honeycomb inserts throughout. You've got your striping. It's going to match all the way around. This is carbonized gray exterior color, black stripes. Replacement front grille here, and their beautiful front bumper LED lighting up here with tow hooks, so it's going to give it that menacing off-road rugged look. And you're also going to have some 37-inch mud terrain BFG tires, beautiful 18-inch Shelby wheel. Those were new a few years ago. Absolutely dynamic setup. Fox shocks, fender flares are black on these Raptor R trucks. And you're going to have your power deployable running boards with your Shelby lettering right here across your rocker graphics, keyless door entry, and your perimeter key entry as well. So that way you don't have to have your key fob and hit your remote. You can actually walk up to the truck and it'll unlock it. So window tint is 50 state legal. Your rear glass is tinted by the factory, and this is a 50 state legal window tint. Now, here's where we get into that Baja rugged off-road look. Chase rack with your 50-inch LED power actuated light bar on top, and your full-size replacement custom tires and wheels here that are both strapped in. Now this is going to have your tailgate package that has your power tailgate and your tailgate step as well, optioned out in the truck. You do have your spray-in bed liner also on the truck. So off-road capable, supercharged. Let's take a look at the interior. You're going to see Ford has dialed it in with our interior on our Raptor trucks. Okay, so we're going to start inside the cab here. So new beautiful elongated front dash from Ford, 12-inch center stack screen. We're going to fire this puppy up. Sound is absolutely amazing, and you've got your digital cluster up front. You've also got here on your leather wrapped steering wheel, you've got your paddle shifters. All your controls are here at a glance that you can make all your changes to your exhaust, your Raptor modes, suspension, steering. You've got your carbon fiber accents on your steering wheel as well. So here's that beautiful center stack screen. You've got Apple CarPlay. Everything is technology with performance, and it really does increase the driving experience of the Shelby Raptor R. Now, great road clearance too, even with that raised hood slightly. You still got good visibility here. Your seats are 10-way adjustable. These are Recaro seats, and Shelby has done their upgraded seat covers on them. You can see the R in the Shelby Raptor R is in red, kind of goes on theme with your Raptor R truck. Now, very limited quantity here for 2024. I believe there was less than 50 built. This happens to be serial number 8. You'll see that on the engine plaque and here on your above your glove box. Now you've got 2 separate glove boxes here. One just right above your traditional standard glove box, gives you some additional storage. Center console is wrapped as well, so it's got the Raptor R lettering here and a big size center console to store all your valuables. Our rear seats are also covered. Those are heated, and you'll notice you've got your twin panel moonroof and your power rear sliding glass. So a lot of great luxury, comfort, performance. You've got your upfitter switches here that are going to control some of your lighting, including your LED light on your light bar up top on your chase rack and up front as well. So you do have some additional ports there for auxiliary. You decide you want to make any changes yourself. Overall, you've got your selectable drive modes here to get into 4-wheel drive, sport mode. Everything in this is incredible, all the way down to our Bang & Olufsen upgraded unleashed stereo system, great sound quality and performance. Now, this thing wouldn't be a beast if we didn't take a look under the hood and see where all this power is coming from. Okay, this is Ford's 5.2 liter engine. This has an upgraded 3.8 liter Whipple supercharger, powder coated in Bengal red. The beautiful, stunning look, upgraded throttle body, fuel injectors. This thing is dynamic. All under warranty. You're gonna see that you've got your engine plaque, serial number 8 on this truck here to match the corresponding one inside. Under warranty, 3-year, 36,000 miles, peace of mind, and an iconic name you can trust. Shelby American, one of the leaders in automotive performance. And I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here, America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty dealer here at Reddick Brown Ford, just outside of Nashville, Tennessee. We love to showcase all our products. This is a dynamic and limited production Shelby Raptor R, not too many built. We'll continue to see production in 2025. You can get some information on this truck and others as we're leading into the next calendar year. It's been a dynamic year for us here at Reddick Brown Ford. Thanks to all of you, our fans on our YouTube channel, social media at Reddick Brown Ford, 24/7 at reddickbrownford.com. You can take a look at all our inventory. We're so happy that you've joined us. This is the 2024 Shelby Baja Raptor R, over 900 horsepower.